model number 154. Precise kilometer calculation by underground cable fault detector. Here what we have taken is a situation where we have got three lines R, Y, B of a three-phase supply, and we have tried to put some equivalent value of resistors for the cable. Now this is the cable, this R, Y, B. From here to here we have fixed one resistance which is of 1 kilometer length. From here to here the same resistance, same range, same and all. So from here to here is 1 kilometer, here to here is from here to here is 2 kilometer, from here to here is 3 kilometer, from here to here is 4 kilometer and so on. And if there is a fault which occurs in any of these, we have created some switches. We have put some switches here to create fault situations, so that if there is a LL fault or a LG fault or a 3L fault, it can be noticed. And a microcontroller is used together with an ADC to sense the voltage drop, because what we are trying to do is, supposing this is the feeder end and this is the load end, and since all these are in the underground, it's not possible for us to know where the cable has developed a fault. So what we do is we try to feed some DC voltage here, and based on that DC voltage with an external resistor, so voltage drop is calculated based on the distance. Now for example, if the distance is, if the fault occurs at a longer distance, the voltage will be different from the shorter distance, because all of them will be series connected. And with an arrangement, these three relays are on a sequential basis. They are monitoring all the three phases, and if there is a fault in any phase, now it shows R no fault, B no fault, Y no fault. Now if you are told there is a fault occurs, suppose we create a fault here, and it tells me that the B phase is the fault at 3 km. Because from here to here is 1 km, from here to here is 2 km, from here to here is 3 km. That means the fault is at 3 km. So this is what is the basic principle by using basic Ohm's law and measuring the voltage drop across the series resistor that is being fed to a ADC A to D converter, and that A to D converter gives digital data. That digital data is processed in the program, executed in the program, and through output relay driver IC, the relays are driven and the display is given here.